AI is moving faster than anything we've ever seen. And as we step into 2026, that pace is only increasing. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a coder or a tech expert to stay ahead. What you do need is clarity, a simple roadmap, and the right skills to stay relevant, competitive, and truly AI-proof in 2026. In this video, you're getting a first look inside the AI Skills Accelerator, specifically the Welcome and Orientation module. This will give you a clear understanding of how the program works, what you'll learn, and how you can start building your AI advantage right away. Early enrollment is now open, and the founder's price is available for a limited time. If you'd like to secure your spot, you can pre-order the full course at learn.aibeginner.net. The link is in the description. All right, let's get started. Hey there, and welcome to the AI Skills Accelerator. I'm genuinely glad you're here. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Steve. I am a Microsoft certified trainer, and I've spent my career working in information technology. But more importantly, I've spent years helping everyday people learn technology in a simple, friendly, and stress-free way. I know AI can feel confusing or even a little intimidating, but that's exactly why this course exists. My goal is to make AI approachable, practical, and actually enjoyable. No jargon and no pressure. Whether you're brand new to AI, or you've already experimented a little, or even a lot, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step, and by the end of this course, you'll feel confident, capable, and ready to put AI to work in your daily life. All right, let's get started. You've just joined a course designed to help you work smarter, feel confident with AI, and build the practical skills that make you AI-proof and ready for what's coming next. Over the next several modules, you'll learn how to use AI to improve the things you're already good at, simplify the things you don't enjoy, and unlock creativity you may not have tapped into yet. You'll build habits, workflows, and a mindset that helps you stay adaptable and future-ready without ever feeling overwhelmed. My job is simple. I guide, you learn, AI assists, and together, you become AI-proof. So take a breath, relax your shoulders, maybe grab a cup of coffee. You're in good hands, and you're going to get a lot out of this. All right, let's talk about how this whole thing works. This course is built to be simple, practical, and easy to follow. No jargon, no complex software setups, and absolutely no pop quizzes designed to traumatize you. Each module focuses on a different part of your AI skill set. Module 1 gives you the mindset and foundation to become AI-proof, because confidence comes first. Module 2 teaches you the real prompting skills, the kind that make AI give you actually useful answers instead of Pinterest inspirational quote vibes. Module 3 shows you how to use AI in real life, planning, writing, learning, organizing, the everyday stuff. Module 4 is your hands-on AI creation lab. This is where you'll create text, images, videos, and digital assets using beginner-friendly tools. Module 5 focuses on AI at work, the skills that help you stay efficient, valuable, and impossible to replace. Module 6 helps you build a simple, repeatable personal AI system you can use long after this course ends. Module 7 is where everything comes together. It wraps up the course with tools, next steps, and a warm send-off, but it's also where you unlock some of the most exciting resources included in the full program. Think of Module 7 as your bonus toolbox, the place where you walk away not just with knowledge, but with practical tools you can use every day. Inside Module 7, you'll get access to the completely updated Advanced AI Toolkit, which includes ready-to-use templates to speed up your work, practical downloads and checklists, a full AI beginner ebook, an audiobook that you can listen to anywhere, and a deep collection of advanced prompts, skill builders, and guided examples. You'll also find the skill packs, small, focused mini products designed to help you quickly master one practical AI skill at a time. These are short, actionable wins that you can apply immediately. Some examples include the Prompt Writing Starter Pack, the AI Writing Skill Pack, the Beginner AI Accelerator, the AI Troubleshooting Pack, and the Small Business AI Kit. And for learners who prefer listening instead of reading, Module 7 includes a growing library of audio templates. All of these resources, the toolkit, the skill packs, the audio templates, are bundled directly into the course and fully explained and demonstrated inside Module 7. Now, you can jump around the course in any order you'd like. Everything is beginner-friendly and designed, so you can explore freely. But I do recommend following the sequence, because each module quietly builds on the one before it. By the time you reach Module 7, you'll be perfectly prepared to take full advantage of everything waiting for you there. All right, now that you know what's ahead, let's get you set up for success.